So it's time to fix yesterday's mistake. Let's let's recap what happened. Look what you can see. Down here, when I was milling, the sled rode up on this big block, which basically caused it to mill incorrectly. So what we're going to do is we're going to switch out this block quickly, and then I'm going to take this block out, split it, and then put a thinner block down on this side, and we should be good. And then I'm going to have to reshim, but let's fix that mistake from yesterday. Quickly drill. I saw a drill finger. And then we're going to have to skid mill this side, and basically it's get reshimmed anyway, so fuck it. Pull it out. Still got you get on that corner, it's like a big old gap. Like a big old gap. I'm not so sure it needs it, because I know that needs to get moved out anyway. No, there's more. Did he? It's just like, counting this goes like, fuck you. Okay, so which bit of this is? Do I think? Jesus. I'll do for a first pass. Let's get this rolled. Now, I'm still going to have to do this up the wrong way round. That's how I normally do it. Loads of space. know, one of these days I will actually learn to press record. Come back. Or how this camera actually works, because I just failed to record. Let's turn you around. So I decided to basically chop that board I've just milled, if I even filmed it, chopped it in half, and I've just glued it together really quickly with a bunch of clamps. Then we'll chop it down to size and then we'll get it fitted. So let's give this a couple of hours to glue up and then we'll get back to work. I'm having a massive amount of fails filming recently. I will try to rectify this.